If you need inventory, if you need to know what you have, there is a technology called Microsoft Graph Data Connect. Today it is limited. It is primarily aimed at Exchange content, but it has some SharePoint content in there now, and that content is increasing over time. But if you wanted to retrieve email, calendar entries, contacts, you can see the list on the left-hand side. You can use Graph Data Connect. And what Graph Data Connect is fundamentally is a connector for Azure Data Factory. And Azure Data Factory is Microsoft's ETL tool in the cloud, right? If you're using Azure and you're moving data around, chances are you're using Azure Data Factory today. You plug in Azure Graph Data Connect, and it will go get that information for you, and it will process it, and it will land that data as JSON files in a storage account of some sort or another, whether it's Azure Blob Storage, Data Lake, likely not that anymore. We've pretty much standard on Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. There is a cost for working with this, 75 cents per 1,000 rows of data, but it can do this kind of in an offline fashion. So you're not having to pound on the graph endpoint, which is how you would otherwise go and get your inventory data. But that's kind of what your options are out of the box. As I mentioned, increasing complexity. We're landing on this thing that basically gives you JSON files. You're going to have to go build your reporting solution around that, but it is all available to you should you need it.